Hi everyone, I'm Ricky from Tech Talk. This is the YoYoFit fitness tracker from Amazon UK and US. The link will be in the description. Here in the UK, it does cost $29.99, which is a lot cheaper than the brand new Apple Watch and also cheaper than the Fitbit. So you can choose an option of black or blue in color, which is really good. So having a look around the box, very clean, clear packaging. Coming to the back, there's loads of contact information here and also links to different websites. You also have a QR code down here at the bottom that you can also fire away at. Taking that out. So you then have let us know. So any information you need from them, you can get in contact. Again, there's a QR code. There is an app available for this as well, but I'm going to show you that in a little bit later. You also then have your fitness tracker manual here, quite large, but very small. So here is our fitness tracker. So we have a fitness tracker. I know it does have an OLED screen. I'm going to tell you more about it. I thought we'd just unbox it though to start off with. So anything else? Nope, nothing else, that is it. YoYoFit fitness tracker does offer an app from Android or iOS. I'm going to show you on Android today, but let's have a little look more at this fitness tracker and talk about what it can do and some of the specs as well. So it offers a heart rate monitor, fitness activity, has little games on it. It's got an IP67 waterproof rating, a pedometer, it's a watch, it has a sleep monitor and smart notifications. That means your phone calls and text messages will come through. Designed for women, men and children. So nice fitness tracker here, nice color. I do like this extra little bit color here. A one size band, so we'll be testing out this band, so loads of different options here. So turning on, you can see the display here. Offers Bluetooth 4.0. The screen size is 0.96 centimeters. The work time is going between 5 to 7 days, depending on usage and activities. It's going to take 1 to 2 hours of charging time. So moving on, let's have a look at the application. App is called IXFIT Search. So you're looking for an application that looks like this. It's going to be the same as well on the iOS App Store. Hit install. Application has downloaded here, so we're just going to start this up. So it says open application and then select tap to pair band. We have to allow Bluetooth to turn on, again, which is fine. We're going to connect the new device. It's asking if we're male or female. I like you got a tie or a bow tie. It's really cool, something a little bit different. So now it's going to ask me to put in my height and my weight. So height is in centimeters and weight is going to be in kilos. How well you're burning your calories, your steps, and making sure you're exercising to the best level you can. So next is asking for your age and also your step goal. One thing I don't like about this as being visually impaired, the text size could be a little bit bigger. We have so much room here, make it nice and big and easy to use. So it's asking for Bluetooth here. We're going to say allow. So it's found this fitness tracker here. So we're going to click on this fitness tracker. So as that's just synchronizing, let's put the fitness tracker on. So it's all set up now. So looking at the tracker, I do like the design here. I do like this nice brushed aluminium effect here. Turning around, you can see our sensors underneath. So just before we begin, you may wonder where's the charger and how do I charge my device? So when you turn this one around, you'll see a USB device here and you connect this up and charge here. This will take 1 to 2 hours depending on your charge as well. So here it is on my wrist. Just swipe up there and then you can go through the different options. I will have a full review of this as well. It's not very bright at the moment, which is a shame. But just swiping up, you can go through the different options here. They've got a couple of little games. That looks like Flappy Bird's option there. So once your app is all set up and ready to go, the band is on. It's already tracking stuff away for me. So you have your activities and your steps here. We have our heart rate that you can measure and also blood pressure as well, which should be good. Coming across, we have our sleep. Sleep is very important to measure here as well. Coming up, finally, is your profile. And this is where you can go through and change the settings for yourself on here as well. And also you can do your calls coming through, your text messages coming through, so you can get key information as well. And also you can do other bits in here, which we'll go into depth more of when I give my review in 3 to 4 weeks time, seeing how well it performs. So if you have any questions or queries about the YoYoFit tracker here, please do let me know. It's on, it's going to be using, and I'm actually going to enjoy it. So we've got our time there. Switch it a little bit bigger. It is quite small, but I can bring it up close to my face when I'm off camera and seeing how well it does. It's quite noticeable. It does look like other brands as well, so don't be worried about your brand loyalty. I will also fire the links in for Amazon UK and Amazon US. I do believe I have a discount code as well for people that click through on my link that will be in the description. Like I said, it offers so much opportunity in here to track so many different fitnesses, and we're going to see how it does. So please give the video a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, hit subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.